Annie. Today I will fold a paper to be the bird. Like this and this. This is small one. I will do a big one. We have to use a square paper. We have to fold it in half. First half. We will have to do it balance, two side balance, and do it again. It will be a small square like this, and we have to open it and fold it like this. Like one triangle in one side, like half triangle. And you can see it can open like this. We have to do the side that can open. And use your hand into the paper that make easier to do. And it will have like this. One side can open. One side can open. You use the side that cannot open into our face. The side that our face like this, and do another side and fold this up and take it out. It have like a line that it's a shape of triangle, and you do like this in another side. Same thing in another side. To have all have line of like line of paper, line of triangle, and we have to take it off and take it like this. Like this, two sides, two times. Another side, do the same things. Like this, open up. If you cannot do the same thing that the first time you do like this, it will make it more easier. Like this. Okay. you have to like left it about 1 centimeter like this. And you push it together. And this is the wings. You will like take the wings up much that you can. It's feel like this and like this. You take it like this. It's like this and take it together like this. And you will do their like this and push up the wings. If it is small like this, you can like pull it into the side, and it will be. If not, you can blow it in this here. Now let's feed the bird. Thank you for watching.